IBRL is a brand new translational research capability that University of Illinois has added here on our campus. We are very excited to get IBRL online in next few months. IBRL is expected to bring innovations in industrial biotech closer to commercialization through proof of concept and scale-up activities. At IBRL, we intend to work with our industrial partners to create new bioprocesses, bioproducts, and create greater economic activity in the state of Illinois and beyond.
We're here on the pilot plant floor where they're putting the final touches on our 8 processing bays. As you can see, each bay is going to be curtained off to protect the privacy and intellectual property of its occupants. Additional security measures have also been included in this building, including a card access reader system for the entire building and a closed circuit television system so that IBRL staff can monitor activity on the pilot plant floor at all times.
Each processing bay has its own set of dedicated utilities, including high pressure steam, clean steam, processed chill water, natural gas, compressed air, domestic water, DI water, and several other specialty gases. In addition, each bay has its own set of electrical panels, 200 amps for each. All of these, including the electrical, are quick disconnect so that we can roll equipment easily in and out to support changing projects as we move.
One example of our equipment is this advanced bio-pretreatment reactor. This reactor is capable of continuous pretreatment of cellulosic biomass for fermentation and downstream processing.
Don't worry, we understand that equipment requires a lot of heavy lifting, maintenance, and expertise, but we have the dedicated resources, space, and personnel to support that equipment. Welcome to our 3,000 square foot analytical lab. Because it's a fully functional analytical lab, we have all of the traditional wet lab equipment available to use. But because the space is fully dedicated to supporting projects happening in the pilot plant, we also have the unique capabilities to support those projects, such as anaerobic options, small-scale fermentation, and a complete suite of compositional and functional grain analysis equipment. We have 16 offices available to rent for individuals with projects ongoing in the pilot plant. Each office comes fully furnished with a computer and is locked and on our card access system. We also have conference rooms and web conference capabilities.
As you can see, we're just a few short weeks from completion of construction, and we're very excited to move our existing projects into the new space with its expanded capabilities. If you have an interest in a project, feel free to contact us.